Hi, my name is Sana Rais Khan and you're watching me on TOI TV. I don't take Bigg Boss as a platform very seriously, to be very honest, because this is just a show I did for, I've already maintained everywhere that just for a change, you know, Diwali vacation was near and I was offered, actually. I saw, one contestant crying foul for egg, अंडे के लिए मुझे अंडा चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. And then, for these situations that I witnessed, I like, अच्छा बाहर में murder cases, drugs cases, ये सब से deal करके आते हैं अंडों के लिए तो मैं नहीं लड़ सकती यार. इतना तो I will not degrade myself. And I came out also before that last week also. In fact, I cut down the ration of the house. Like, I don't want to do my duties. I don't give a damn for ration. Sometimes there were sleepless nights also, you know, sometimes. So there, of course, some days we were asked to sleep on the floor also. Most importantly, cooking with the people you don't like, because you're bound to cook with your roommates, who I can't stand one or two of them and I have to cook with them. And you know, I'm like, अच्छा, मतलब यहाँ पे भी झेलना पड़ेगा. अगर कुछ कर रहे नहीं, Bigg Boss टास्क ही नहीं दे रहा, तो इसलिए जबरदस्ती लड़ाई हो रही है. क्योंकि how to kill time, कुछ ना कुछ बात होगी, कुछ एक्शन का रिएक्शन निकलेगा, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ झगड़ा हो जाएगा
और वो शुरू हो जाएगा, एक एक्सटेंड पे चला जाएगा.
वो ऐसा हो जाता है. But especially in this season, like because there's no task, all people who do is just back bitch.
Be it a courtroom drama or a strong personality in Bigg Boss 17, here we have Sana Rais Khan with us. Hi Sana, welcome to TOI TV.
Hello.
Bigg Boss, a completely different ball game. You were in there for those set amount of days and then you came out. What changed? The first thing that changed for you, what was that?
Changed actually, like how I was always famous as a lawyer. But of course with Bigg Boss you get that pan-India fame and your work gets recognition, you know. Right. People now, like, they became more aware of the cases and that I've handled and of my victories. And just right after that, of course, my Netflix docu-series was also, my client Indrani Mukherjee's docu-series was also out. So, you know, people again then started appreciating me for, you know, for that also. Then, you know, because then people of course started recognizing and they identify, okay, she's done this, then you get that recognition, you know, for your work and all. So that happened obviously. But other than that, I don't take Bigg Boss as a platform very seriously, to be very honest, because this is just a show I did for, I've already maintained everywhere that just for a change, you know, Diwali vacation was near and I was offered, actually, I was offered the show, vacation was near, so I thought, okay, why not just go and give it a shot, like for some time. By the time the vacation is over, I'll ensure that I come out. Of course, I didn't go there inside with the intention to stay there for a very long time. I've always maintained I was never there with any intention to win, because had I gone there with that intention, I would have won and come. But my intention was not that, because of my work and my schedule outside. So, but still, you know, I managed to stay inside the show for a very long time, regardless of my intention, and people really liked me. So I'm thankful for that. But but obviously the show had that experience, you know. With that experience, with every experience, you're enriched, you know, and you actually learn a lot of lessons. You learn a lot of things in life, and you know, sometimes you become more aware of your surroundings. Sometimes, like how in my personal life, normally in my life, you know, my schedule has always been such, ever since I became a lawyer, touch wood, like I've always been busy. Like as a lawyer, the moment I started out with, like I always say, I never believed in doing internships so much and all. I just started out and I started my own. And you know, with word of mouth and you know, because of my appreciation of my work, you know, I started getting flooded with work, and every day, 24 hours for me is also never enough. So because of my schedule, I'm always so engrossed in work that I hardly get time to communicate with normal people, because I'm always only dealing with clients, you know, cases where people are sad, and you know, ensuring that you know, my clients get victory and all that. But I hardly get time to communicate with people, to sit for a while and to have a break and analyze the situation and have a meaningful conversation with somebody. But in the house, obviously, I got a lot of time, because this season there was no task.
Yeah,
so much
1.5 to 2 months of normal conversation.
2 months, yeah, normal 2 months normal conversation. People from different walks of life, and you know, some are so, of course, then sometimes, of course, I used to get astonished by certain situations, like, you know, I saw, you know, one contestant crying foul for egg, अंडे के लिए मुझे अंडा चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. And then, you know, for these situations that I witnessed, I like, अच्छा बाहर में murder cases, drugs cases, ये सब से deal करके आते हैं अंडों के लिए तो मैं नहीं लड़ सकती यार. इतना तो I will not degrade myself, and I'm not going to stoop that low.
You but of course, like ले ले भाई मेरा अंडा में ले ले, बस रोना
मुझे मेरा, हाँ बस बिल्कुल. I sometimes used to, in fact, you know, I used to like sit in the corner and enjoy as a spectator myself. अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे like because I was there for an experience, right? So I was like, okay, enjoying कि अच्छा कि तरह के लोग from different fields, how they are reacting. Sometimes I used to myself also become a spectator, and sometimes I would also react. And
Yeah.
you know, when I would react very. I mean, I usually I would never mess around. आई एम द टाइप जब तक उनको छेड़ोगे नहीं ना तो मैं खुद भी फटूंगी नहीं, मैं कोई मुझे छेड़ता है फिर मैं छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. दैट्स हाउ आई एम. इन द शो आल्सो दैट वाज सीन वेरी नाइसली जब कोई मुझे व्हेन समबडी इज टू पोक मी है ये वो. सो एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम अ लॉयर, कोई बोलने में तो मुझसे जीत नहीं सकता. Then I used to start speaking and then I would just give it back instantly and the other person would just keep quiet उसके बाद. And then उनको समझ आता था इसको मत छेड़ो, उसके साथ mess मत करो. Before even I came out also, before that last week also, in fact I cut down the ration in the house. Like I don't want to do my duties. I don't give a damn for ration. Because I'm like that, and I mean obviously because when it comes to, in that show also, that's how the concept was. You have to think about yourself, right? I mean, they talk about individuality. So if I don't think about myself, then what's the point? And you know, by that time I was actually bored of duties, and also that's a good opportunity I got it. I grabbed the opportunity. जाओ, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't want to do any duty.
It was, you know, आपने जितना मतलब कोर्ट रूम में नहीं लड़ा होगा उतना वहाँ पे
नहीं
completely different environment.
That's a lie. मैं कोर्ट में आई एम फार मोर अग्रेसिव इनफैक्ट. जो मैं इनफैक्ट शो में आई प्रिजर्व माई एनर्जी बिकॉज मुझे पता है मेरी एनर्जी मुझे कहाँ लगानी है और कहाँ वेस्ट नहीं करनी है. मुझे शो में इतना ज़्यादा अपना आई इंश्योर्ड कि मुझे इतना अपनी एनर्जी नहीं देनी थी शो के लिए, और ना ही अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा आई वुडंट ऑफ कोर्स गो ऑल आउट देयर एंड यू नो इन्वेस्ट सो मच ऑन द शो. फॉर ऑनेस्टली दैट शो इज नॉट, दैट शो कैन नेवर डिफाइन मी एज अ पर्सन बिकॉज आई एम अ हाई प्रोफाइल लॉयर. माई करियर इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर पीपल हु हैड कम ऑन द शो. सो मेरे लिए शो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं था. मैंने शो बस ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस के लिए किया. सो बट फॉर मी व्हाट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट इज माई बेसिक इनमेट दैट यू नो ह्यूमन नेचर जो दिखा कि आई एम अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग. जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली जो दिखा शो में, कभी ऐसा नहीं दिखा कि मैंने कभी किसी को अननेसेसरली बिलो द बेल्ट मैंने किसी को नहीं सुनाया, किसी को अननेसेसरली हर्ट नहीं किया. वो सब मैं नहीं किया.
That was such a long below the belt conversations were beyond imagination. I mean जो हम लाइव में देखते थे वो तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही होता था, एपिसोड से ज़्यादा होता था.
But in my case I don't speak shit and I don't take shit, so that's why people always maintained, I always maintained that boundary even inside the house also. Even if I was too good with somebody, with particularly कुछ लोगों के साथ मेरी ज़्यादा बनती भी थी तो भी I always maintained that boundary. You know, इसको क्रॉस मत करना, इसके दायरे के आगे मत बोलो, ना मैं बोलूँगी ना तुम बोलो.
That's totally important, especially in such a show.
Because winning the show is not important. What is important is of course to have to ensure कि आपकी image एक जो अच्छी है वो अच्छी ही रहे. आप ऐसा situation जो होता है जहाँ पे you know sometimes you know you're compelled to react. With, you know aggressively. But there if you maintain that calm level of calm and if you still manage to you know if you still manage to maintain a calm and you know serene in that atmosphere and you know not hitting somebody below the belt, not abusing somebody in that atmosphere, I think that's the biggest victory and that's the real victory in my true sense of the term. That is victory.
Yeah, because it's a hot box of aggression.
Exactly.
और वो आप 24/7 वही देख रहे हो आप.
Absolutely.
I don't think you all must have slept beyond a few hours that you all do.
Sometimes there were sleepless nights also, you know, sometimes. So there, of course, some days we were asked to sleep on the floor also. Some days this, that, everything which I've never done on my outside, I've done it inside, like cooking.
Yeah.
Like that, like cooking, and in fact, you know, cooking. Most importantly, cooking with the people you don't like, because you're bound to cook with your roommates, who I can't stand one or two of them, and I have to cook with them, and you know I'm like, अच्छा, मतलब यहाँ पे भी झेलना पड़ेगा.
उन्हीं के साथ खाना है क्योंकि वही राशन शेयर करना पड़ता है.
राशन भी उन्हीं के साथ. This whole room system, now I was always against this whole room system, that your house makan system. I was always saying, because what the hell, why is this season having this fucking room system? I'm not interested in it. Let me mingle around with the people I get along with. But the people I'm getting along with are in some different room. The people I can't stand are put in my room. Like that's how it was, you know.
But you know, एक point आ गया था where everyone, you know, all of them were removing their frustrations because आप सब इतने time से उस घर के अंदर बंद हो. एक point तो आएगा ही where you are done with it. You just either you want to go out of the house.
Yeah, that of course. Even I felt that. Or at the end of the like you feel कि बस हो गया, because outside of course then you start missing your family also.
Indeed.
And then especially for me, I am a professional with a hectic schedule, with a full packed diary outside, and I know कि हाँ बाहर तो मुझे सांस लेने की फुर्सत नहीं है, और यहाँ पे इतनी फुर्सत है कि वो फुर्सत की वजह से लोग लड़ पड़ते हैं, कुछ करने को है नहीं इसलिए लड़ रहे हैं। मेरे पास अभी कुछ है नहीं, पूरा दिन कुछ कर रहा ही नहीं, बिग बॉस टास्क ही नहीं दे रहा, तो इसलिए जबरदस्ती लड़ाई हो रही है क्योंकि हाउ टू किल टाइम, कुछ ना कुछ बात होगी, कुछ एक्शन का रिएक्शन निकलेगा, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ झगड़ा हो जाएगा
और वो शुरू हो जाएगा, एक एक्सटेंड पे चला जाएगा,
वो ऐसा हो जाता है। और पता है स्पेशली इन दिस सीजन, लाइक बिकॉज देयर इज नो टास्क, ऑल पीपल वुड डू इज जस्ट बैक बिच कि अच्छा उसने ये किया, इसने वो किया, which is not my nature outside, and in fact even otherwise also I don't get the time to speak about a person, let's say, like that's how my schedule is. So inside it was all the more difficult, you know, when you know such things were being were happening ki back bitching ho rahi thi. If you see, I was never a part of it because that's not how I am as a human being, you know. I would never do that. I would never speak against a person. I'd rather do something constructive about my life and about myself rather than speaking ill of the other person.
So जब 1 महीने से ऊपर हो गया था घर में, were you in that thought कि यार मेरे ये cases बाकी है, बाहर जाके ये देखना है?
Every time I was getting saved ना with votes also, of course, although I was thankful also to the audience for voting, but then I was also anxious of the fact that oh my God, what was sometimes ऐसा होता भी था anxious कि अच्छा ये केस में क्या चल रहा होगा, because before I entered the show obviously I had a conversation with the makers regarding me being intimated about my cases outside, at least through some oral information, but वो हुआ नहीं बाद में because वो access नहीं मिला, and I'm not blaming them also because nobody gets any access to the outside world. So वो नहीं हो पा रहा था, so because पहले बात हुई थी और फिर नहीं हो पा रहा था, so obviously I sometimes you know you get paranoid about the situation as to okay what is happening in that case. Some cases are so important, although it was assigned and delegated properly in my team, to my teamwork था बाहर सब कुछ मैं proper करके लेती, कभी किसका loss या नुकसान नहीं हुआ, but still at the same time of course inside obviously because मुझे तो आदत है ना पूरा टाइम, यू नो दैट प्रेशर वो 24/7 वर्क, ये ऑर्डर, ये केस, ये काम, ये यू नो एवरी डे फॉर मी इज अ थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज you see movies, you see drama in movies, but for me every day is real life drama. In fact all the more have a higher degree, you know. I've handled certain cases which are even far more interesting than actually some you know great movies.
I think you should start script writing.
I will write a book on my cases in the near future. Of course you will see me as an author also very soon. But I think that is going to be of course, I mean that will shed light on a lot of factors.
Indeed it will.
That go
so
into
you know post Big Boss you bought your own chamber.
Yeah.
How was that feeling?
Of course I was in the that was already in the process, but just time nahi mil pa raha tha, and just right after everything, like sometime, I mean of course I also believe in destiny. Right after Big Boss it was meant to happen, and then I got the right property and I bought it, and it was like अच्छा Big Boss के बाद Big Boss से पहले से लेने वाली थी, अब मुझे right property नहीं मिल रही थी, but right after Big Boss of course I just found the right property and I invested, and I mean of course now it's called SRK Legal, it's my new chamber. SRK stands for Sana Reis Khan, not for something else. So legal industry के SRK. So that's how.
That's
so
great.
Yeah. So now, and this firm, you know, focuses not only on criminal law, from of course law from every branch of, every branch of law, not just criminal law. Because as I stated that I'm known as a criminal lawyer because of the sensationalized cases that become famous. But of course, I deal with all facets and all branches of law, be it criminal, be it civil, be it arbitration, be it you know any facet, any branch of law, DRT, anything. So it's all under one roof.
So you know, post that we see you having a nice trip to Europe.
Yeah, in fact, again I'm traveling to London next week because I'm being felicitated at the House of Commons.
Oh.
Yeah, for my advocacy, for excellence in legal advocacy. That house, so that award is also very important and very special for me, honestly. I'll be flying now this Sunday. So yeah, I keep traveling. You can call that wanderlust, you know. Actually, I'm like a travel freak. I keep traveling like every time. Sometimes the moment I feel okay, now is the time, I just travel. I pack my bag and I just leave, you know, like just leave like that. And in fact, that is also one of the reasons the way I did Big Boss also was very shocking for people. I was saying no in the beginning to the makers, and then suddenly, you know, one day prior, I decided to say yes. I said okay, I'll do it like that. One day prior, do you really? I mean, anybody who rehearses my story is like shocked that for a show like this, even people who are well trained in front of the cameras also, they're so scared before coming to the show. Arey baap re, camera ke samne jana. And for me, who is not from the industry, within a day I decided to do it, and I just packed my bag. एक दिन पहले I was doing packing कि अच्छा ऐसे जैसे हम लोग कहीं ट्रिप पे या पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं ना, हाँ ये लो बोलो हाँ ठीक है ये भी चल जाएगा, without any PR team. without any designer, because I didn't get the time to hire any, without any preparation, without ever having seen the show. Earlier also I managed to survive for quite a long time, and you know, I managed to like, you know, get a lot of votes despite of being nominated every week and stayed for quite a long time. So that is also an achievement in itself, because I never intended to stay for that long.
Totally.
Despite of that, I stayed for quite a long time.
And that became quite a journey for you as well.
Quite a journey, you know, because every week something revolved around me, और I always talked about something or the other. Despite of the fact कि मैं ज़्यादा कुछ करती नहीं थी शो पे, फिर भी मैं थोड़ा भी कुछ करती थी तो भी बहुत बड़ा सेंसेशनल चीज़ सना रईस खान ने किया भाई, सना रईस खान ने ये किया वो किया, कुछ ना कुछ तो न्यूज़ बनता ही था.
So okay, after London, is there any destination that you're very keen on going for a solo trip?
USA.
Oh.
USA in Diwali vacation mostly.
So you've already planned.
I have planned, but it should be executed and it should materialize also, because sometimes, you know, you plan and then around that time also cases aa jate, ye ho jata, and then, you know, sometimes. So hopefully, inshallah.
Inshallah.
But yes, traveling. And then I love singing also. I love dancing, and dancing का तो show में सबने देख ही लिया है that I'm a good dancer, which I never intended to reveal. But वो खुल ही जाता है इतने टाइम आप पूरा दिन कैमरा के सामने
क्या ही करोगे फिर?
कुछ तो appreciated also by everybody.
So are we seeing you in a dancing reality show?
I got offered also a dance show. The moment I was out, I will not name, but the moment I was out, I was offered a dance reality show as a wild card. But that time I said no, because of course I was just out of the show, of one reality show, and you know, it is not.
थोड़ा time चाहिए था.
You need a breather, and you can't just, you know, jump from one show to another. Especially for me, who was not even from the industry. अभी एक show करके वो बोल रहे चलो चलो, अरे मेरा profession भी है पीछे, मुझे वो भी देखना है. तो like अभी तो फिलहाल कुछ नहीं. Right now I'm just focusing on my profession.
But if you get offered again for a new season?
In the future, honestly, I can't say anything for because you know, even if I say no for now, honestly, you can never say never, because I never intended to do a reality show also. Because मुझे पहले भी reality shows offer हुए हैं, but फिर भी मैंने पहले मना किया. फिर this year 2023 में suddenly I did it. So I have realized that you can never say never to anything. You know, you never know where sometimes life takes you to.
Fingers crossed, 24 we see you again. So you know, now that you're all packed up with cases, and then there is this another space where, you know, now people are very intrigued to wanting to see you on screen as well. So what do you want to go, in which avenue would you want to put yourself on?
Right now, though, like how I stated, that my profession is my priority, because, you know, my profession involves somebody's life and death is at stake, you know. It's like that. I mean, it's not just a normal profession. It's a very, very powerful profession, like I maintain, because me, you know, sometimes, you know, focusing on something else could actually be, I mean, people are actually having hopes from me. People keep me in their prayers, ki, okay, she's the hope. She's the one who's going to get my family member out. She's the one who's going to get me justice, secure justice. So, of course, that remains my profession. So far as, of course, the other, like how you said about screen, you never know. You know how I say, I can never say never. Like, you never know, you might just see me somewhere in the future as well. Like, even if I say no today. So, of course, I mean, you can't predict the future. But for now, my profession remains my priority. But of course, in the future, like, you never know. I might just, you know, sometimes again take a break and do something, you know, something hatke from my profession also. Because I'm multi-talented. I'm like an all-rounder. I'm not just ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कोई सिर्फ bookworm नहीं हूँ. Of course, I do a lot of things, other things also. So you never know.
So we should keep our hopes on. You might see me, somewhere, be it TV or web.
Yeah. But in a movie, you never know.
Oh, that's quite a hint.
Of course, I got offers after the show. But if I feel okay, this is the right part, and you know, this is the right time, so why not?
So you know, have you watched the new season of Bigg Boss?
No,
the Bigg Boss OTT 3.
In fact, now that you're saying, I know, okay, some season is out, but I really didn't get the time to catch up on it.
So if I drop a few names from the show, let's see if you know them or you know anything about them or about their controversies, because this time I think all of them are very controversial. So Chandrika Dixit, the Vada Pav girl.
I don't know any of them. I don't know them. I don't know how.
Okay. So how about Ranveer Shore?
Why are these people controversial? Why is this Vada Pav girl controversial? I'm asking you a question, right?
Oh, she's quite controversial.
Oh, okay.
For her vada pav, which is in Delhi.
Oh, acha.
So yes. How about Ranveer Shore?
Yeah, I've heard about him. Yeah, I've heard of him.
So one contestant we
Yeah,
can
I
say
know.
that you know.
Yeah.
Neeraj Goyat.
Nah.
Nah. Lavkesh Kataria.
Nah.
Elvish's friend.
Nah.
Oh God. This is Deepak Chaurasi, I'm sure.
Heard of him. Journalist, yeah. Right.
Yes.
Of course, as a lawyer, I would know the names of the journalists.
The Maliks, the Malik family, Arman, Payal and Kritika.
No, I just know Nawab Malik.
Okay, how about the host? Because this season is not Salman Khan and it's Anil Kapoor, so.
Acha, yeah. I'm very confident that he's going to pull it off really well, obviously. I mean, the Salman Khan charm is Salman Khan charm,
Indeed.
obviously. But then, but in his absence, I'm sure that they found the perfect replacement. And I mean, they found because he's also humorous, he's also spontaneous, like how Salman is usually. So I think I really wish him good luck. I feel that he's going to pull it off really well.
So now that you know a few names from the show, are you planning to watch it? Either of the episodes?
Not really. I don't have the time. I never got the time to see my own episodes. I'm being very honest. Yeah, I never saw a single episode of my own season. So let alone any other season.
So all that you saw would be on the reels where you were tagged?
Reels, some reels that were, uploaded on my social media. In fact, like how I told you, I never had a PR also while I was inside. I think which is very contrary to the cliche, conduct. Usually people have that PR,
Yeah,
they do the hashtag thing, viral, everything outside. कि hashtag करो, ये करो, PR करो. Boards भी उनके होते हैं कि इतने boards आने चाहिए, सब चीज़ proper preparation के साथ जाते हैं. But since I never had any intention to stay for a very long time, I never had any pre-preparation and all that. Still, I've stayed for quite a long time. So it was more of a real thing. That's how I always get these compliments from people. They were very real on the show.
Yeah.
I always get to hear, you're very real. You were not fake. You were very real.
Yeah, you didn't
Because I
need
never
to
fake
have
anything for the camera. Or
Totally.
the cameras are, because the cameras around me, I did not act any different or anything like that. Because because I just wanted to show my true self. And sometimes, obviously, sometimes of course things do get blown out of proportion also, which does not exist also sometimes on a platform like that, because you cannot control the narrative there. But then ultimately everybody, Indians, everybody know that it's just a show. You consume the show just for time pass and things happen and then people move on.
So, now that we wrap the questions here, what would be your message to the fans who are watching you?
I believe, as I always say that, work hard and be passionate about whatever you do, and whatever field it is, whatever walk of life you choose. I mean, you just be passionate, follow your passion, enjoy your work. I think, every morning waking up with that feeling and, that feeling that, okay, today is this day when I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and to be excited about your work on that particular day,
Right.
which drives you. I think that is the most essential thing, and if you can do that, if that work actually drives you, if your work drives you, I think you're in the right field. Just excel in it. Wherever you are, just excel in it by actually working hard on it, and also working smart also on it, and also ensuring that you always, and while doing so, always of course within the boundaries of law. Indeed. And just enjoy life. I mean, each day is, just live each day as if it's your last day, and
Totally.
so that you give your best each day. And sometimes of course it's going to be failure. It's not always going to be successful journey. Sometimes a failure, but don't get disheartened by failure. Always ensure that tomorrow is the next day. Tomorrow is a new day, fresh morning. Give it a shot again, and ultimately in the end, हमेशा जब अगर अच्छा end नहीं है तो वो end नहीं है. End में हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. अगर good ending नहीं हुई तो picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Indeed. That comes from another SRK.